gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. If you're wondering who this little boy is, this is Kobe with his nice little flannel matching his cool auntie. I am currently puppy sitting for the entire week. You guys are wondering, by the way, he does have an Instagram. I'll link it down below. Right, Cobes? You want those followers, don't you? Yes. Yes, I just wanted to do a quick little intro and, show off my cute little nephew. Today I am doing a flannel clothing hack. So this is gonna be all the different ways that you can style your flannel that you have to give it a whole new look. This is no sew, no cut. I'm currently wearing my red flannel to match little Cobes. We did have a little bit of a photo shoot, so check out my Instagram. But I think for this video, I'm gonna style it with this blue and white one just because it's a little bit thinner. This one's just a little bit thicker. It's been really fun having company during the week, to be honest, because your girl is lonely in this house. Thank you, Kobe. I love you. We played all morning. I took him on a long walk, so he's getting a little bit tired. Let's just jump right into the clothing hacks. Of course, starting off, all you're going to need is your go-to flannel, and you can use really any flannel that you have. I just recommend using more of a loose / oversized flannel. I will link down below some of my favorites. I feel like a flannel shirt is essential in a wardrobe, and you can actually do so many things with it and style it so many different ways without cutting or sewing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you 12 flannel shirt hacks right now. Preferably, I like to wear some sort of crop top or bralette underneath, and I use that a lot, as you guys will see. In particular, this hack, I use it. All I do is take one side of my flannel and put it to the opposite direction, and I just tuck it underneath in my bralette, and then I do the exact same thing on the other side of the flannel. And this is just a super cute way to crop your flannel and give it a different look, and it stays secure all day long. For this look, I did not button up my flannel at all, so all the buttons were not done, and I really just think this looks adorable with some high-waisted jeans and going to a pumpkin patch. It's just a quick way to switch up the look of your oversized flannel and show more of your curves as well. This next hack is one of my favorites, and it's a different take on just tying your flannel in the middle. I ended up buttoning up a couple of the buttons, and then you're just going to take one side of the flannel, once again, of the excess material, pull it through your belt loop, and then take the other side and pull it through the opposite direction in the same belt loop. And this is gonna give you like a bow look with your flannel. I think it's so cute. It kind of gives you that tie look to your flannel, but it's different, it's unique, and it stays secure, and I just really love the way this looks. This is also really great at helping accentuate and kind of show off your waistline if you don't want it to give that like oversized look. And I love this as well paired with some jeans. I think it's super adorable. It looks like you have a perfectly done bow. But next hack is super simple. An easy way to just switch up the look of your flannel is just tucking in the collar of the flannel, and this just gives a different look altogether. I just went ahead and tucked in the collar with the bow hack that I just shared with you, and it just changes it up a little bit. Not a big difference, but it does make it look a little bit different and kind of gives you more of that V neckline. This next hack is super simple. It's more of a different way on how to style your flannel. I feel like a lot of us wear our flannels either all the way done up or just our buttons not done at all. But lately I've been seeing this everywhere, and I absolutely love the look, and that is just buttoning the first button and having the rest peek through and wearing a cute bralette or cami underneath this. I love it. I love the little skin peeking through, super comfy, and just a different way to kind of style your flannel. This next hack is to crop your flannel by tying knots on each side of your flannel. So I went ahead and wrapped the excess material over my hand and did the typical like perfect knot that you would do in the front of your shirt. And I just kept my flannel completely open, and it kind of looks like a cropped flannel. It looks like a little flannel jacket, and it crops the back a little bit. And I think this is also really adorable to leave it completely open, wear a cute top underneath, and wear some high-waisted pants and you have a full-on outfit. And this simple trick just transforms the flannel and gives it a different look. For this next hack, it is another different way to crop your flannel and kind of make it into a little crop top. So all I did is I ended up buttoning 2 of the buttons. You can obviously button up however many buttons you want, but make sure there's excess material on the bottom because you're going to separate your flannel into 2 sections and just bring it all the way in the back. Use a small elastic band. I ended up just using this scrunchie because it was the closest thing to me, but typically I would just use a smaller elastic, and then you just tuck it underneath the back of your flannel and it completely changes the look. If you didn't want to tie it in the back to crop your flannel, you can just go ahead once again and button however many buttons you want to do, leave some excess on the bottom, and I just tied a knot on each section, just like I did for the other hack, but making the knot go higher up, of course, because then I went ahead and just tucked those knots underneath my bralette that I have, and this also just keeps it cropped all day long. It won't budge, it won't come undone, and it's just a really cute look to crop your flannel as well. This is probably one of my favorite ways to crop my flannel and just give it a different look. This next hack is another kind of like styling hack. All I'm going to do is just tuck in one side of the flannel and leaving the other side loose and out. And this is just another take on how to style your flannel as opposed to just keeping it completely open or just buttoning it all up. This will look cute with jeans or black pants, something like that, but I think it just looks a lot more high fashion when wearing it in this way. For this next half, to start off, you're going to want to take the arm off of your one side, leaving your shoulder exposed. And then I just took the sleeve and wrapped it around across my stomach and tucked it under, and it just really cinches your waist, and this just completely transforms the flannel. I also went ahead and tucked in the collar as well when doing this hack. And now moving on to this next one. This is like the flannel dress. You can also wear it as a top. You're going to make sure your collar is tucked in, and you're gonna wear it like a tube top, and just make sure you button the first 2 buttons. And then with the arms, I went ahead and tied it right underneath the chest and just pulling down the excess so it's not all bunched up. And I really love this. I think it looks super cute and adorable. You can even wear these with jean shorts when it's more hotter outside. For this next hack, it is just kind of like a continuation. I just kept it the exact way that I just did the shirt, and instead all I'm doing is just tucking in the excess underneath my bralette. And this is gonna give a crop tube top look if you don't want it to be as long. And I went ahead with the sleeves and still knotted it so it's hanging loose down the middle. And this is also really adorable with super high-waisted pants. My last hack is still continuing off of the tube top hack, but instead of having these sleeves hang down in the front, this is a way to get rid of that, and that is just undoing it and crisscrossing it over and tying it all the way to the back. And I just tucked it underneath my bralette, and this now completely transforms your flannel into that tube top. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you liked it. I will link my Patreon down below and hacks playlist. And also I will link Kobe's Instagram once again down below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Let's say the outro, Kobe. Bye!